Hey, Jim Starwalt here with your monthly market update for June of 2024. These numbers are as of the end of June. So what we're comparing is this year to 2023. Total listing count relatively the same, slightly down for all of McHenry. We've got 159 listings on the market. We had 173 a year ago at the same time. New listing count, however, is down. Last year there was 102 new listings that popped up on the market in June, and this year there was 84. That's pretty close to 20, like it's 18. Active listings are going up a little bit month over month, but they're exactly the same as last year. 72 last year, 71 this year. I call that close enough. Pending listings is actually stayed about static. It's down from last year, 105 to 88. That's a little less than 20 homes under contract. So they are still selling fast. There's just less of them on the market. The median listing price has gone up from $353 to about $375. So, that's an extra $10,000 or so. That's pretty nice. That's a pretty good increase in 1 year. Median listing price has gone up from $184 to $190. That's an extra $6 per square foot, and that adds up if you got a 3,000 square foot home. So the average, the same homes going on the market, roughly 1,700 to 2,000 square foot. Number of homes with price reductions nationally, I'm telling you, is going up, because nationally you really don't want to be pricing your house too high. You can't be pushing the market, but I am seeing a reduction in homes that are dropping their price because they priced it too high, can't sell it. So in McHenry, we're at 16, where last year we were at 20. So overpricing homes or homes not getting sold is just not happening. It's a great time to be in the real estate market in McHenry. However, months of inventory is 1.3. One and a third months of inventory. If we didn't list any more new homes, we'd be out of homes to sell in about a month and a half or less. And median days on market, that's gone down too. Last year was 28. Right now, the average days on market is 22. So, bottom line, McHenry market's moving fast. Homes are increasing very quickly in value. So, it's a great time to buy. It's a great time to sell. If you're interested in either, give us a call here. I'm Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. You'll find our office right in downtown McHenry on Elm Street at the west end at 4817 Elm Street. Give us a call. We'll talk to you soon.